Hi everyone, you watching MV channel. Today I am going to unbox the Huawei Wi-Fi 2019 Modern Black Edition. So let's start the unboxing. And take out the device from the box. I am keeping the device in a side so we can check what comes with the box. As normal, a SIM ejecting tool and user manual guide. A normal charger, micro USB cable. It has no earphone, so I am just peeling this plastic. Mostly I like back side of the device because it has a leather like plastic. I don't like the black color, I have another color too. The brown, I will show you. Which one do you like more? I like the brown one. It has 13 megapixel camera too. I am just skipping all these procedures. Go to the settings, system, about phone, GB RAM, 32 GB internal memory, and it's powered by Android 9. So let's check the camera. In camera department, it has 13 megapixel main camera. I think there is no modes, just a photo, video and a panorama. I will put some sample photos here. The photo seems to be very nice. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please consider subscribing. See you in another video.